Hello, my little ones. Good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I am your Amita ma'am. Yesterday we revised homes of animals. Let us look at it again. Dog lives in kennel. Fish lives in water. Horse lives in stable. Cow lives in shed. Lion lives in den. Hen lives in coop. Bird lives in nest. Spider lives in web. Now let us do one activity related to homes of animals. We will make nest. For making nest, we need a paper plate, brown watercolor, sponge. For decoration, we need few leaves, birds, and eggs. Let's start. First, we will color the paper plate with brown color with the help of sponge. Like this. Now we will cut the paper plate from the middle. Now we will stick the paper plate like this. Now we will give effect to our nest with this brown color. Like this. Now we will stick leaves. Stick the birds. And stick the eggs. Our nest is ready. Now I will give you the solution of worksheet. Here is the worksheet. Match the animals with their homes. Now let's match animals with their homes. Dog lives in kennel. So we will match dog with kennel. Cow lives in shed. We will match cow with shed. Hen lives in coop. So we will match hen with coop. And bird lives in nest. So we will match bird with nest. That's it for today. I hope all of you revised homes of animals by watching this video. Take care. Bye.